right, guys, today we're featuring another new company to me here on the channel. We've got 5 scents, 5 oils, 1 butter from Beard Manna. So we'll get into that in just a minute. So welcome, guys. My name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you for joining me. And we're talking about Beard Manna. I remember playing Magic the Gathering when I was like a freshman in college. I sure wish I would have kept those playing cards, but when you play you have to have mana. It's like land kind of stuff, energy, all that cool stuff. So these guys are gamers that own the company. So it's Chad and Scott. They were actually beard product reviewers there for a while, and then they switched over and started making products, and they are doing a great job too. Really good guys in the community for sure. So really competitive prices. So we've got a 1 ounce oil that goes for $15, and then a 2 ounce butter that goes for $17.50, and you can get combos for $25. All right. So let's get into the scents. I've got 5 scents. One of them is currently not available on the website. I saw like 12 scents that are available. They kind of rotate stuff in and out a lot. They were actually featured here on the channel for my March Madness live stream that I did, where I feature a lot of companies. They offer these great deals for the guys, and I think they came in with like a 50% off code and really got their product in a lot of guys' hands, and have been really growing pretty steadily since then. So I really like what they're doing here. So we've got the first one is Crimson. This is the one that's not currently available. I don't know if it's coming back or not, but it is Juicy Cherry, Bergamot, Leather, Clove, and Spiced Cedar. So I don't usually like lavender, but I liked all the other stuff, so I tried it out. They actually sent me I've got one. They've sent me a combo for just as a thank you for being featured on the channel back in March, and then the other 4 I bought here recently. And this one, I like it, but there's something, I think it's the clove and the lavender. I think those 2 things are enough of a negative to me. It kind of offset the positive, but I like it, but I just don't love it. And I could probably say that for a lot of these scents. I like it. I can wear it. I don't know if it will make my favorite top scents of the year or be go-to scents for me. For me, a lot of them seem to have like a floral note, and I'm not usually into floral. And even when I read the descriptions, they don't say floral, but I just kind of get that vibe. As a reviewer, I noticed a lot if I try like lots of scents from the same company, you sort of get a vibe. I get kind of a floral note in the background for a lot of these scents. A lot of guys like that, and I definitely like some of these. By the way, the oil blend on these is apricot kernel, sweet almond, jojoba, castor, hemp seed, moringa. Excellent feel in beard, excellent carrier list. I cannot complain about that one bit. And the same goes for the butter. There's 3 different butters mixed in. I have the Sweet Shop right here, and it is mango butter, kokum butter, shea butter, and then moringa oil and fragrance. And this butter works really, really well. You can see how much I've dug into that. But it's firm, but yet it melts down really good. Just, you can't ask for anything else in a butter. So one of the best butters that I've tried this year for sure. And we've gone through one scent here. Let's go ahead and talk about that Sweet Shop scent. That's probably my favorite out of them. When I first got it, I was like, I just get bubble gum. So it's like cotton candy and bubble gum. And then it's got a little bit of a barbershop kind of on the back end of it. So it just kind of finishes a little cleaner, a little smoother than it would if it was just straight bubble gum, which kind of would be a little bit chalky. This one's really good. I can wear the butter at night, and I usually don't like heavily scented things at night. I would say most of these are pretty much medium strength. A couple of them depends if you're kind of sensitive to certain things. It might be a little bit stronger than medium for some of them as well. But Sweet Shop's probably my favorite. And then I kind of like these other 3 about the same. I'd probably say my next favorite was the Enchanted Scroll. So Enchanted Scroll is worn leather, crayon apple, which I don't think I've ever seen crayon apple listed as a scent like that before, aged sage, and amber. And usually, if you know me, I love anything with amber in it. So I really like these. This one, even though it's got the worn leather in it, I definitely get the worn leather vibe. And then you get the other stuff playing around with it, the crayon apple and the amber, especially. Really like that enchanted scroll. It's a little bit less spicy and floral than some of the other ones. And then two more here. So we've got the summoning, and the summoning is burning wood, tart cherry, mahogany, sweet orange, and hint of cinnamon. All right. So you get a little bit of kind of a fruit mixture, as you can tell. I get mostly cherry. And then the burning wood, I don't really get any kind of smoke or anything like that, but it's definitely got a little bit of a deeper smell to it. And I definitely get a little bit of cinnamon as well. So this one would be a great kind of fall kind of scent if you're into that. Also the enchanted scroll wood as well, with that crayon apple and then the amber in that. Would be good for fall. In fact, most of these would be good for fall. And then the last one is smoke and mirrors. So this is kind of a play off of your tobacco vanilla kind of scent. It is sweet tobacco, birch wood, musk wood, and vanilla. And you do get a little bit of the smokiness to it. But once again, it's blended very well. So if you like the tobacco vanilla, and then it's got that little bit of musk wood and birch wood to kind of sweeten it, but also give it a little bit more towards like a manly cologne kind of scent. But it's mostly tobacco vanilla with some of those other notes playing around with it. So guys, let me know if any of those sound good to you. Also, if you've tried some more scents, I know they rotate scents in and out a lot. So the prices, like I said, was pretty good. There was a couple on there that were like $10 kind of closeout specials right now. I don't know how long that'll last. I think I saw Lucky Panda and something else, but the guys are doing a great job. I really like what they're doing. They're just great, positive guys to have in the community, and I wish them all the success in the world. And hopefully I can give them a little bit of exposure here on the channel. But as always, guys, I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next video.